So our topic for today is about discount. So pag sinabi ko natin discount, a reduction from a usual cost of something, typically from or advance payment or the special category of buyers. So meron tayong two example of discount. Unang-una po yung wholesale po natin, pa nagkakaroon po na sa isang mall, nakakakuha po tayo ng discount. So another example po nito is transportation discount. Tulad na lang po pag estudyante po tayo, sumasakay po tayo ng jeep, meron po tayo discount na nakakuha. Like senior citizen and PWD. So ito po yung mga words na ginagamit po natin sa discount. Number one is the discount. Kaya sabi ko kanina, is the deduction from the usual cost of something typical given from or from or advance payment or to a special category of buyers. We denote discount with a capital letter D. And the next one, list price or LP. So list price is the original price of an item, goods, or services. The price of an article as shown in a list issued by the manufacturer or by the general body of manufacturer or particular class of goods. Next, discount rate is a part of the calculation of the present value when doing a discount cash flow analysis. It's the number expressed by percent or fraction form. Ibig sabihin, pag may nakita po kayong fraction or percent, ito ba ay example po natin ng discount rate po. And the last one, net invoice price. It is the new amount of an item after deducting the discount from selling price or list price na tinatawag. So formula used to find the discount is equal to discount is equals to LP multiplied by DR. So D stands for discount, LP stands for list price, and DR stands for discount rate. So sa triangle po natin, nakikita po natin yung discount is nasa taas. Yung nasa baba naman po yung LP at DR. To find the value of net invoice for the same thing, NIP is equals to LP subtracted to discount. So we have two types of discount, trade and cash discount. Sinabi po natin trade discount is a reduction from list price granted to buyers to take from the volume of discount from large purchases. Dealers are distributor discount. Ibig sabihin po, pag mas marami po kayong kinuhang item na binibenta po ng distributor, mas malaki po yung makukuha niyo pong discount. Pag konti lang po yung kinuha niyo pong item, konti lang po yung makukuha ng discount. So next, cash discount. Are recorded in accounting records either as sale discount in the books of the seller or purchase with discount in the book of buyers. These are granted to buyers to encourage from payment. So dito naman po, pag kinash nyo po yung pinaka-item po, may makukuha po yung discount. So we have two types of trade discount. Una po, single discount, and the next one, which is series discount. Pag sinabi po natin single discount, from the word itself single, adding one discount rate. It's a trade discount that consists of one discount rate. So for example, para lalo natin maunawaan kung ano nga po ba yung single discount, compute the discount for an item with a list price of 1,250 pesos, subject to a 15% discount. What is the net invoice price? So first thing that we need to do, pag may word problem po tayo, we need to analyze the problem first, then proceed po tayo sa our given, then our solution. So our given list price is equals to 1,250, then discount rate is equals to 15%. So we need to find the discount and net invoice price. So tulad ng sabi ko kanina, to find the value of discount, by simply D is equals to LP multiplied by DR. Then substitute the given, LP is equals to 1,250 multiplied by 15%, which is discount rate po natin, or 0.15, is equal to 187.50 pesos. Ibig sabihin, naka-discount po kayo sa isang produkto ng 187.50 pesos. So magkano na lang po yung babayaran po natin pag nakapag-discount po tayo ng 187.50 pesos. So dito na po papasok yung tinatawag po natin net invoice price. So net invoice price is equal to LP subtracted by the discount. So LP po natin, ito po yung tinatawag po nating list price. Pinaka-presyo po ng item po natin na wala pa pong discount. So list price subtracted to our discount, which is 187.50, is equal to 1,062.50 pesos. Ibig sabihin yung babayaran na lang po natin instead of 1,250 ay 1,062.50 pesos na lang po. So another example para lalo po natin maunawaan. So a refrigerator was marked to sell 6,750 pesos less 5%. So we need to find the discount, net invoice price rate. So first thing that we need to do is to analyze the problem, then proceed to our given, then solution po natin. So basahin po muna natin yung word problem po natin. Yung refrigerator daw is nagkakahalaga ng 6,750 pesos. So pag kinash discount po natin to, may makukuha daw po tayong 5%. So we need to compute the discount. By simply, D is equals to LP multiplied by DR. So substitute the given 6,750 multiplied by 5% or 0.05 is equal to 337.50 pesos. Ibig sabihin, yung na-discount daw po natin sa refrigerator is equal to 337.50 pesos. So magkano na lang po ang babayaran po natin? So our net invoice price is equal to LP subtracted to discount. Then substitute the given 6,750 subtracted to 337.50 is equal to 6,412.50 pesos. Ibig sabihin, babayaran na lang po natin instead of 6,750 pesos ay 6,412.50 pesos na lang po. And the last one, net invoice price. So compute the net invoice price by simply 100% subtracted to our discount rate. So ano nga po ba yung discount rate po natin? So discount rate po natin kanina is 5%. We need to subtract to 100%. So 100% subtract 5% is equal to 95%. So our net invoice price rate is equal to 95%. So another example po natin. A television set was bought for 3,825 pesos. Net discount, the selling price was listed at 4,500 pesos. So first thing that we need to do is to analyze the problem first, then proceed tayo sa our given, then our solution. So sabi daw po dito, nabili daw po natin yung television set sa nagkakahalaga ng 3,825 pesos na may discount na po. Pero yung totoong presyo daw ng television set natin is equal to 4,500. So we need to find the NIPR, discount rate, then net invoice price. So our given, this price is equals to 4,500 and our NIP is equals to 3,825. We need to find the NIPR, discount rate, then net invoice price. So we need to solve for NIPR. To solve for NIPR, we simply NIPR is equals to NIP over LP. So substitute the given 3,825 divide 4,500 is equal to 0.85. Pag rate po ang hinahanap po natin, kailangan yung sagot po natin is always in percent. Kung naka-decimal po yung sagot po natin, automatic mali na po yun. We need to change our answer to percent by simply multiply it to 100%. So 0.85 multiplied by 100% is equal to 85%. So next, we need to find the discount. To find the discount, by simply D is equals to LP subtracted to NIP. So subject to the given, LP po natin is equal to 4,500 minus 3,825 is equal to 675 pesos. Ibig sabihin, naka-discount daw po tayo ng 675 pesos. So next, we need to find the discount rate. Kung ilang percent po ba nakuha nating discount? By simply, DR is equals to D over LP. So yung na-discount po natin kanina, 675 divide 4,500 is equal to 0.15. So ulitin ko po, pag rate po ang hinahanap, kailangan po yung sagot po natin is always in percent. So 0.15 multiplied by 100%, it will be 15%. So our DR is equal to 15% or discount rate. And the last one, we need to solve for NIP. Dahil pag given na po yung NIP po natin sa word problem, hindi na po natin siya i-compute. So our NIP, or net invoice price, ito po yung pinaka-binayad po natin, is 3,825 pesos. So ano naman po yung series discount? So ulitin ko po, kanina, pag sinabi po natin single discount, isa lang po yung discount na makukuha po natin. Pag series discount naman po, 2 or more discount rate in one transaction. Ibig sabihin, naka-discount na siya ng isang beses, naka-discount pa siya ng pangalawang beses, or more than 2. So for example, compute for the discount of an item with a list price of 1,250 pesos subject to a 10% and 5% discount. What is the net invoice price? So pag may nakita po tayo sa word problem po natin na dalawa po yung discount po natin or yung rate po natin, ito po ay example ng series discount po. So we need to write down the given. List price is equals to 1,250. Then DR sub 1 or first discount rate is equal to 10%. Then DR sub 2 or second discount rate is equal to 5%. So we need to find the discount and net invoice price. So meron tayong tatlong method dito. Unahin po muna natin yung method number 1. So method number 1, we need to solve for D sub 1 or discount ng una po natin, which is 10%. So our discount rate is equal to 10%. So we need to find the first discount. So D sub 1 is equals to LP multiplied by DR sub 1. So substitute the given 1,250 multiplied by 10% or 0.10 is equal to 125 pesos. Ibig sabihin, naka-discount po tayo. Sa unang discount po natin, nagkakahalaga ng 125 pesos. So magkano na lang dapat natin bayaran? So we need to find the NIP or net invoice price is equal to LP minus first discount po natin, which is 125 yung nakuha po natin kanina. So 1,250 subtracted to 125 is equal to 1,125 pesos. Ibig sabihin po, pag naka-discount po tayo ng 10%, babayaran na lang po natin is 1,125 pesos. So next, we need to solve for the second discount rate, which is 5% po. So second discount is equal to NIP tulad na ginawa po natin kanina. Ganun lang din po yung gagawin po natin ngayon. Pero ilalagay po natin sa formula po natin, NIP sub 1 na po. Yung nakuha po natin kanina or yung binayaran po natin yung unang discount po natin. So NIP or net invoice price is equal to 1,125. Ito na po yung may discount ng unang-una. Times DR sub 2 po natin, which is 5% or 0.5 is equal to 56.25 pesos. Then next, we need to find the final net invoice price. is equal to NIP sub 1 subtracted by P sub 2. So substitute the given 1,125 minus 56.25 is equal to 1,068.75. Ibig sabihin daw po yung babayaran po natin is 1,068.75 pesos na lang po. So next, alamin po natin kung magkano po yung na-discount po natin sa series discount. So simply, this final discount is equal to D sub 1 or the first discount plus the second discount. So substitute the given 125 plus 56.25 is equal to 181.25 pesos. Ibig sabihin po, naka-discount po tayo ng 181.25 pesos. So sa method number 2 po natin, may tatlo po tayong method pero makuha po natin sagot is parehas lang po. So step number 1, we need to deduct the first discount rate from 100% and multiply the lease price by the rate obtained. So for DR sub 1 is equals to 10%, that is 100% subtracted to 10% is equal to 90%. Then we need to find the NIP sub 1. So NIP sub 1 is equals to LP multiplied by NIPR sub 1. So substitute the given 1,250 times 90% or 0.90 is equal to 1,125 pesos. So parehas lang po na nakuha po natin kanina. So step number 2, we need to deduct the second discount rate from 100% and multiply the net invoice price by the rate obtained. So ito po, DR sub 2 po ito, hindi po DR sub 5. Mali lang po ng type. For DR sub 2 or second discount po natin, discount rate po natin is equal to 5%. That is 100% minus 5% is equal to 95%. So our final net invoice price is equals to NIP sub 1 multiplied by NIPR sub 2. So 1,125 times 95% is equal to 1,068.75 pesos. So tulad lang po ng nakuha po natin kanina. Then lastly, we need to find the final discount. Kung magkano nga po yung nakuha po natin na discount. So ganun lang din po yung ginawa po natin ng unang method po natin. So final discount is equals to LP subtracted to NIP sub F. So 1,250 minus 1,068.75 pesos is equal to 181.25 pesos. Ibig sabihin, naka-discount po tayo ng 181.25 pesos. So method number 3. Step number 1, we need to deduct the series discount individually from 100%. That is 100% minus 10% is equal to 90%. So dito naman po, pinagsama lang po natin yung dalawa. Kung kanina po, pinag-iwalay po natin, ngayon po, pagsasamahin po natin sa step number 1. So 100% minus 10%, ito po yung first discount rate po natin, is equal to 90%. Then our second discount rate, 5%. So 100% subtracted to 5% is equal to 95%. So step number 2, we need to multiply the resulting product to themselves. Okay, simply 90% times 95% is equal to 85.5% or 0.855. So step number 3, we need to multiply the resulting rate to the lease price to obtain the final net invoice price. That is NIP sub F is equal to LP multiplied by NIPR sub F. So substitute the given 1,250 times yung NIPR sub F po natin, which is 85.5% or 0.855. 855 is equal to 1,068.75 pesos. Ibig sabihin, ito na lang po yung babayaran po natin. So next, we need to find the total discount, subtract the final net invoice price from the list price. That is B sub F po natin, or final discount is equal to LP subtracted to NIP sub F. Parang parehas lang po ng ginawa po natin sa method number 1 and 2. So substitute the given 1,250 minus 1,068.75 is equal to 181.25 pesos. Dapat po simula sa method number 1, kung ano po ang hinahanap sa method number 1, tapos parehas po ng hinahanap sa method number 2 and 3, dapat parehas po ng sagot ninyo. Pag magkaiba po, automatic, mali na po yun. So example number 2, a camera is listed at 1,315 less 15% and 3%. So we need to find the net invoice price and discount. Use method number 1 to 3. So sa method number 1 po natin, first discount is equal to LP multiplied by the second of the first discount rate, which is 15%. So 1,315 times 15% or 0.15 is equal to 197.25 pesos. Ibig sabihin, yung first discount po natin is equal to 197.25 pesos. So magkano na lang po yung babayaran po natin? So NIP or P sub 1 is equals to LP subtracted to the first discount po natin or yung nabawas po. So 1,315 subtracted to 197.25 is equal to 1,117.75 pesos. So next, we need to find the second discount by simply NIP sub 1 multiplied by DR sub 2. So substitute the given 1,117.75 times 3% or 0.03 is equal to 33.54 pesos. So next, we need to find the final net invoice price by simply NIP sub 1 subtracted to our second discount. So 1,117.75 subtracted to 33.54 pesos is equal to 1,084.22 pesos. So lastly, we need to solve for final discount by simply D sub 1 plus D sub 2. So D sub F is equal to 197.95 plus 33.54 is equal to 230.79 pesos. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung na-discount po natin sa product na bibiliin po natin. Okay po, ganun lang din po yung gagawin po natin sa method number 2 at method number 3.